Yesterday, I got some trolling on the muscle memory test which I shared yesterday about locking your fingers and removing it. So, some people found it fake, some people found it funny, some people found it really useful. So, there are, yes, of course, different people. But here I am really want to or willing to help people to understand that muscle memory test do help. Okay, though it is psychological, works on your energy, works on your subconscious mind, but still it gives you the result of what you exactly want to happen for yourself. Okay, there is one more muscle memory test. If this is not working for you, okay, there is one more test I'm going to tell you today which will help you to understand what is the right thing for your body, mind and heart and what is not. Okay, so what is muscle memory test? Let us try to understand that first. Hi, I'm Vishakha, counselor, healer and a life coach. So what is muscle memory test? So muscle memory test is our body stores lot of different experiences and energies. It is not just our brain which stores it. Okay, so every muscle of our body stores certain memories and energy. So our body and our subconscious mind actually knows what is right for us, what is appropriate and what is the correct direction for us to move ahead. And when we do not have clarity or we do not know what is the particular thing which is aligned for us or which is aligned to us for our body, for our brain and for our evolution, our muscle memory test helps us to take us in the right direction. Because our body has certain memories, our muscle has certain memories, it helps you to give you the right direction. So if this test is not working for you, here I am bringing another test, a muscle memory test, which will help you to take right decision for the further movement in your life. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, you have to stand still, stand straight, okay, like this. Close your eyes, ask the question for yourself, or maybe we can take the another example of name. My name is Vishakha. So this is the right thing which actually exists. So what your body will do when you close your eyes and you will say, my name is Vishakha. If it is right and appropriate for you, your body will automatically lean forward like this. If that particular thing or switch word is not meant for you, your body will lean backward. So this is a proven experiment done by a lot of scientists as well as people from different universities where they have proven results on muscle memory test. You can read about it. It is very much available on Google and you can understand that how it works. So while you are choosing any switch word, you can actually do muscle memory test which will tell you whether that particular switch word is actually going to work for you or not, and you can follow that. Today I am bringing you EFT tapping for moving forward in life, for imbibing law of attraction in your life and to order or to direct our lives or this dimension where we are staying to lead us into the right direction. So follow me what I am doing right now and say it with me, which will help you to imbibe law of attraction in your life with the right approach. I have written a script for you all, which you all can say in your daily life for rest of your life and absolutely change your life and imbibe law of attraction in your life. Beautifully written, very customized script. You may note it down and practice this script with EFT in your life, morning 5 minutes and before sleeping 5 minutes. It can create magic. So let us order our reality, our existence for all these commands that I'm going to say. Repeat after me. You will see the magic. Okay, let's start. Abundance on, ease mode on, overflow on, magnetism on, beauty on, health on, kindness on, compassion on, self-love on, timeline acceleration on, version of me still proving off, version of me still explaining to others off, version of me still hoping off, version of me where the scarcity of anything is there, completely off. Any reality where I'm still small, access denied. Any reality, any timeline where money is the problem, access denied. Any opportunity to which I'm responding as my old self, my old version, access totally denied. First class treatment, first class availability always locked in for me. Best and fit body I could ever recognize, totally locked in for me. Work feels like play to me always, totally locked in for me. Money regenerates faster than I spend, locked in for me. Love that does not cost me my own self, permanently locked in for me. I love myself. I so love myself. I am the winner. I am the winner. Today is my day. Today is my day. I am the best. I am the best. I love myself. God is always with me. I am the winner. Today is my day. I am the winner. And release. The words which I used, please note down. And tap the way I tapped on all the meridian points daily for next 3 to 4 months. You will start the overall change in your personality. You will start seeing the difference in your overall reality. Things around you will start changing. The people around you will start recognizing you as a different person. Beautiful magic is hidden in all these EFT practices. Do work on this and create your life with a new energy. I really want from my bottom of my heart for all of you to have a beautiful, successful, abundant, and a very healthy and fit life moving ahead. So whatever I can do for all of you, I'll definitely come up and do all that stuff which will help you to elevate your life. Please save this, repeat it with me, do the muscle test if you are trying the switch word, whether that switch word is really relevant to you, and share it with all your loved ones. It is definitely going to create magic and help you to elevate yourself. I hope this helps. Happy healing, everyone.